Imagine this. You're out camping with friends, or maybe you're stuck on the road in the middle of nowhere. Suddenly, things go wrong. Would you be ready? Today, we're looking at 25 survival gadgets that could literally save your life. These aren't just fun tools. They're lifesavers. And trust me, number 23 is one you'll wish you had years ago. Let's dive in. Solar-powered water purifier. When you're in the wild, finding clean drinking water can be hard. This solar-powered water purifier is small but powerful. You just fill it with water, place it under the sun, and it cleans the water so you can drink it safely. No batteries, no chemicals, just the power of sunlight. Imagine being by a muddy river and turning it into safe drinking water. In survival situations, this can be the difference between life and death. Emergency thermal blanket. This shiny, lightweight blanket may not look like much, but it's a true lifesaver. It's made to reflect your body heat back to you, which helps keep you warm even on freezing nights. It folds down small, fitting easily in your pocket or backpack. If you're stuck in the cold, this blanket can protect you from hypothermia. Rescue teams, astronauts, and adventurers trust it because it works. Something so small can save you in the toughest conditions. Multi-tool survival shovel. This is not just a shovel. It's like having an entire toolbox in one gadget. It works as a shovel, axe, saw, knife, and even has a fire starter built in. Whether you need to dig a trench, cut wood, hammer tent stakes, or protect yourself, this shovel can do it. The best part is that it folds up and fits in your backpack. In the wilderness, having one tool that does everything is a huge advantage. Portable solar charger. In today's world, your phone or GPS can mean survival. But what happens if your battery dies? That's when this foldable solar charger comes in handy. You just spread it out in the sun and plug in your device. It keeps your phone, flashlight, or GPS alive even in the middle of nowhere. It's waterproof, lightweight, and easy to carry. Staying connected could mean rescue comes faster, and this charger makes sure you're never left powerless. Tactical flashlight with stun feature. This looks like a normal flashlight, but it's actually a survival gadget packed with features. It's super bright, so it lights up your path at night. It has an SOS strobe mode for emergencies, and it can even work as a stun device for self-defense. Small enough to carry in your pocket, but powerful enough to protect you. In survival, having light means safety. With this flashlight, you get visibility, security, and peace of mind in one. Fire starter tool. When you're cold, wet, or in the dark, fire is life. Lighters and matches can fail, but this fire starter works even in rain or wind. Just scrape the rod and sparks fly. Enough to start a fire quickly. It lasts for thousands of strikes, so you don't run out. Imagine being stuck in the woods, shivering, and within minutes warming your hands by the fire. Reliable, simple, and tough. This is a survival essential. Survival paracord bracelet. It looks like a stylish bracelet, but it hides a powerful survival tool. When you unravel it, you get several feet of strong paracord rope. This rope can be used to build shelter, fix broken gear, or even catch food. Many bracelets also include a whistle, compass, and fire starter. It's like wearing a mini survival kit on your wrist. In emergencies, something so small can suddenly become the most useful thing you own. Pocket first aid kit. A small cut or injury might seem simple, but outdoors it can quickly become serious. That's why a pocket-sized first aid kit is important. It comes with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other essentials to treat wounds on the spot. It's light, portable, and easy to use. Imagine falling on a trail and cutting yourself badly. Having this kit can stop infection and buy you time until you reach help. It's your personal medic in a bag. Compact camping stove. Eating hot food can boost your energy and spirit when you're outdoors. This compact camping stove runs on small fuel canisters or even sticks. It lets you boil water, cook meals, or make coffee anywhere. It folds up to fit in your bag and sets up in seconds. Imagine sitting in the middle of nowhere and enjoying a warm meal. That's comfort in survival. Simple, efficient, and reliable, this stove makes a big difference. Emergency whistle. A whistle might not seem like much, but in survival, it's powerful. This small gadget produces a sound so loud it can be heard miles away. If you're lost, hurt, or need help, blowing this whistle can alert rescuers quickly. Unlike your voice, it never gets tired. It's also useful for scaring away animals. Light, durable, and reliable, this whistle could be the reason you're found in time. Never underestimate its power. Water bottle with built-in filter. Why carry heavy water when you can filter it as you go? This water bottle has a built-in filter that removes dirt, bacteria, and even bad taste. Just scoop water from a river or stream and drink it safely. Perfect for hiking, camping, or emergencies when clean water is hard to find. It keeps you hydrated and safe without needing extra gear. Simple to use, practical to carry, and one of the smartest gadgets around. Hand crank flashlight. No batteries? No problem. This flashlight charges by cranking it with your hand. Just a minute of turning gives you light for hours. Imagine being stuck in the dark with dead batteries. This ensures you always have light. Many versions also come with radios and phone chargers built in, making it even more useful. Reliable, eco-friendly, and always ready, this gadget is a true lifesaver when the power goes out. Survival knife. A strong knife is one of the oldest survival tools, and it's still one of the best. A good survival knife can cut wood, prepare food, and even protect you. Many have features like fire starters or serrated edges for sawing. It's simple, reliable, and versatile. Imagine needing to build a shelter or defend yourself. This knife will be the tool you reach for first. In survival, a solid knife is your best friend. Collapsible fishing rod. When food is scarce, fishing can save your life. This collapsible fishing rod folds down small, but works like a real one. Many kits also come with hooks, line, and bait included. With it, you can catch fresh fish for food, instead of relying on dried snacks. Imagine being near a river and pulling out dinner with this rod. Small, portable, and practical. It's a great way to secure food in the wild. Survival compass with mirror. When GPS or phones die, a compass keeps you on track. This one also has a built-in mirror. You can use it to reflect sunlight and signal for help or check injuries. Navigation and signaling in one gadget. If you're lost in the woods, this simple tool can guide you back safely. It doesn't need batteries, and it never fails. Sometimes old-school tools are the most reliable in survival. Waterproof matches. Fire is key to survival, and these matches are made to work even when wet. They light in rain, storms, or after falling in water. Packed in a waterproof case, they're easy to carry and ready to go anytime. Unlike normal matches that fail in bad weather, these give you fire when you need it most. Cooking, warmth, or light. It all starts with a flame. And these matches deliver it reliably. Inflatable sleeping pad. Sleeping directly on the ground can drain your energy. This inflatable sleeping pad gives you comfort and keeps you off the cold ground. It inflates quickly and folds up small, fitting easily into your bag. Imagine lying on hard rocks versus a cushioned pad. The difference in rest is huge. Better sleep means more energy to face survival challenges. Lightweight and practical, this pad is comfortable in your pocket. Rope saw. It looks simple, but this rope saw is powerful. You wrap it around a branch or small tree and pull back and forth, cutting wood quickly. It fits in your pocket but does the job of a big saw. Perfect for making shelters or gathering firewood. Imagine building a camp without carrying heavy tools. This saw makes it possible. Small, strong, and easy to use. It's a must-have for survival situations. Waterproof dry bag. Water can ruin your gear, but not if you use this dry bag. It seals tightly to protect clothes, electronics, and food from rain or rivers. Lightweight but tough, it's great for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Imagine falling in water, but your phone and matches staying dry. That's the power of this bag. Simple, cheap, and reliable. It makes sure your essentials are always safe from moisture. Emergency tent. Carrying a full-size tent can be heavy, but this emergency tent is pocket-sized. It's made from reflective material that keeps you warm and shields you from wind, rain, and cold. Easy to set up anywhere. It's like carrying a tiny home. If you're stranded or caught in bad weather, this tent can give you shelter quickly. Small enough to carry anywhere, big enough to save your life. Survival watch. This isn't just a watch that tells time. It comes packed with survival tools like a compass, thermometer, whistle, and sometimes even a fire starter. Worn on your wrist, it's always with you. Imagine needing to find direction or call for help. This watch can do it. Lightweight, stylish, and practical, it's survival gear disguised as everyday wear. Always ready, always useful. Portable water tank. When you find water, you need a way to carry it. This portable water tank folds up small when empty, but can hold gallons when filled. It's perfect for long hikes, camping trips, or emergencies. Without it, you might have to keep stopping to drink. With it, you can store water for later. Practical and space-saving, this gadget keeps you hydrated when it matters most. Personal water straw filter. This straw may look small, but it's a giant in survival. You can put it directly into a stream, river, or lake and drink instantly. It filters out harmful bacteria on the spot. No waiting, no setup. Hikers, soldiers, and adventurers all trust it. In an emergency, it can turn unsafe water into life-saving hydration in seconds. A must-have gadget that can literally save your life with every sip. Solar-powered inflatable lantern. Darkness can be dangerous, but this lantern solves the problem. It charges during the day with solar power and lights up your camp at night. Waterproof and inflatable, it's light, portable, and even floats on water. Perfect for camping, hiking, or blackouts. Imagine lighting up your tent without batteries. This gadget makes it possible. It's eco-friendly and reliable, giving you light when and where you need it. Emergency hand crank radio with SOS alert. Information is vital in a crisis. This radio works with a hand crank, solar power, or batteries. It keeps you updated with weather alerts and can even make SOS siren sounds. Many models also include a flashlight and phone charger. In a disaster, being informed and connected can save lives. Imagine knowing a storm is coming before it hits. This radio gives you that chance. It's a true survival all-in-one gadget. All right, now I want to hear from you. Which of these survival gadgets would you trust the most? Drop your pick in the comments. Personally, I never head out without my water straw filter. Thanks for watching, adventurers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe and join our GadgetVerse family. Up next, we've got 40 camping tools that will make your outdoor adventures so much easier. You don't want to miss that. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one. See you in the